Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jasmine Rae and today I'm going to be doing a nail tutorial. This is all sped up. So basically I'm just doing a fill. I filed off the pink acrylic I had on, prepping my nails, shaped them, bada boom bada bang, use this Mia Secret nail dehydrator, and now I'm going in with this Mia Secret nail primer. For acrylic, I'm using the Mia Secret clear acrylic and the Mia Secret monomer. I'm just doing a fill, so this really didn't take me that long. This video is going to be very, very short. Oh yeah, and I did not have the patience to file off those butterflies. I just didn't care to, so they stayed on. Because nobody got time for that. I didn't have time for it, didn't feel like doing it, and I'm lazy. Okay, now I'm done with the acrylic. Now I'm just filing around my cuticle and smoothing out the nail with a hand file because I didn't have the patience to do with my e-file because like I said, I'm lazy. And using with the hand file, I have more control over it and it's just easier and faster for me. So I just use the hand file. Oh, and I'm shaping my nails too. Going over and reshaping them a little bit because after putting on the acrylic, it could kind of take away from your shape. So just reshaping them a smidge bit. Okay, now I'm buffing my nails. I got this buffer in with the monomer I bought. I think it's a Mia Secret one. I'm not completely sure, but I'm buffing my nails. Now I'm going in with this white nail polish. I'm not really going to tell you guys the shades, A, because I don't know the shade names, and because, I don't know, this is not really necessarily a tutorial, just like watch me do my nails type of video, so yeah. But I'm using this white as like a base coat because I'm going in with that nude polish and a yellow. So, I don't know. In my head, I thought this was a good idea, so I did it. And that white was kind of crappy, so. Now I'm going in with this, like I said, the nude nail polish. And I'm just going to paint two of my fingernails with that. I mixed it up. I didn't show me painting my other hand on camera, but now I'm going in with this yellow gel polish. Okay, after I was done painting my nails with that gel polish, I went with some acetone and I cleaned around my cuticles, and then I cured my nails for about 2 minutes. And then after that, I went in with a second coat with gel polish, and then again cured it for 2 minutes. And now I'm going to go in with these rhinestones. And I'm going to use this gel top coat. It's a thick gel top coat, so it's actually pretty good for gluing on the rhinestones. While I'm gluing on these rhinestones, I just want to say I love you guys so much. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, click that bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Follow me on all my social medias, especially TikTok. I post every day, multiple times a day. So follow me on there and my Instagram. Also, follow me on my business page at Jasmine Rae Cosmetics. I really hope you guys like this video. It's like a really short one, but cute. Just showing you guys how I did my nails. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye, guys. There's more to this video. I had to glue. Now, after gluing on those rhinestones, I cured them for about 2 minutes. And then I'm going to do my other fingers. I did 1 little rhinestone on my thumb. And then I did 5 going around my cuticle area on my ring finger. Which you can kind of see. I was out of the camera when I did my thumb. And when I did my ring finger, it's out of focus. But you guys can see pretty much. And this is how they look. They're pretty cute, if I do say so myself. I'm pretty crappy. Like, I really suck at painting nails. Oh, and this is how my other hand looks like, because I didn't show that on camera. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye!